Thank you so much, GBB, for having me. Throughout the process, I learned so much. I learned from the other founders. I also learned from my mentors deeply. And I'm also very excited to have the opportunity to pilot with Grab.
I just really hope that they really maximize what they can get from this JVC.
So I think if you have a sustainable mindset for the planet, for your surroundings, for the environment, but also for your business, that's a much more complete startup. Congratulations once again to the 5 finalists.
We're always very happy and very excited to see, young leaders, people who are in the GVB. I think we're always very keen to see their enthusiasm, right? To see their questions, right? Also to learn from them, right? Again, totally different industry from mine. Tapi very happy to be able to contribute what little I can in terms of knowledge or experience to the GVB.